Mystery boxes, they're all the rage right now on YouTube. You have a bunch of YouTubers unboxing stuff, checking out what's inside. What are mystery boxes? They're surprise packages. You pay the money in advance, you have no idea what's inside, and then you are just surprised with what's inside. So I was so intrigued and so fascinated that I spent 1,000 pesos, $20 on the Hypebeast mystery box from Lazada. So here we have it. It finally got delivered. So I will be unboxing this with you guys. We will be seeing what's inside. And apart from that, make sure you watch until the very end because I'm also unboxing with you my latest pickup from Stockx. Guys, this is Carlo. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And today is a double unboxing. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to announce a new giveaway very soon. So guys, make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you hit that notification bell, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Let's get to the unboxing. This is the 1,000 peso, $20 mystery box that's called the Hypebeast mystery box. So let's check out what's inside. So I already pre-opened it. I don't know exactly what's inside. I just removed the tape, so this will be faster. So I will be picking up the items one by one so we can check out and get an approximate value to how much is inside. So first up, we have some sort of jacket. Yeah, this is like, wait, I see the Champion logo. So guys, this is supposed to be a Champion jacket or a windbreaker. So you have the, what? I have no idea if this is a legit Champion product because it says here Champion products with the embroidery. That's the first time I've ever seen something like that. And the quality is really subpar. I think if I tug hard enough, I can actually rip this jacket apart. I'm not kidding you. So I'm not really sure if this is legit. So it might be real, but if it is real, most likely it came from a thrift shop because the quality is really bad. I mean, the threads are just popping all over. The material is very thin, too light. Yeah, and I'm not too happy with this one. But yeah, guys, you have a jacket from Champion, supposedly, and it has a lot of cool colors with that Volt color over there. And you have a 3M strip running at the back. So this is the first item, a Champion jacket. Second item from the box is this Adidas blue running shorts. So it is short shorts. So if you want to show off your sexy hairy legs, this is the one you wear. So it says here Adidas embroidered at the front, and it also says on the other side Climalite. So it doesn't have like pockets. It does have a drawstring to, you know, I don't know, fix the fit. The only issue with this one is that the material is definitely subpar. I own a lot of Adidas shorts, and this is definitely not one of the best that I've ever seen. So again, guys, I cannot really vouch or guarantee that the contents of boxes like you get from Lazada are actually 100% legit or authentic. For all we know, they are fake. There's no really like 100% way to tell if they're real. And again, all the signs that I'm seeing is that they're fake. Third item on the box, and this is the final item, guys. This is a sweatshirt, I think, or like a hoodie. Oh yeah, it's a sweatshirt, a black sweatshirt, a quarter zip from, the brand is Patagonia. So Patagonia sweatshirt in black. So immediate observation, the material is very thin. I can literally see through it, which is not a good thing if you are looking for a sweatshirt that's supposed to keep you warm. So yeah, I'm on the fence on this one. I'm not sure if it's real. Most likely it's fake. So again, let's do a quick run through of the items. For 1,000 pesos, or that's $20, you get a Champion product, I don't know, jacket with reflective material at the back. You get Adidas shorts, Climalite, and you get a Patagonia sweatshirt. My only problem with the three products is that the materials really of all three are not that good, so they probably won't last you a long time. So if you just want like more clothes without necessarily getting the quality for them, then you probably might want to pull the trigger on the boxes. But I would highly strongly recommend against it. That 1,000 pesos spent could have gone to something more important on stuff that you actually need and that you will actually use. So that's actually it for the Lazada mystery unboxing. Next up, we are going to unbox my latest haul from Stockx. Guys, I'm very, very excited with this one because I've been waiting for this for quite a while now. So as you guys can see, it comes in that typical brown carton Stockx package. It does have some sort of like bubble wrap to be able to keep it secure. And just taking a look at the box, you can immediately tell what this is. It says Puma, and you have illustrations of different Transformers. Yes, this is the RSX Transformers Bumblebee. Let's take it out of the box. For the box, you have the Puma logo, you have the Transformers Autobots logo, you have different illustrations of Bumblebee and Optimus Prime over here. At the back, you have the same illustrations of both characters there printed at the back. And of course, you have that really nice Transformers logo along the side of the box. Now, if we pop it open, what do we see? We have a tissue paper with alternating logos of Puma as well as the Autobots icon. And then we get to the actual, the usual StockX stuff. You have the card, you have the receipt, you have the Stockx like sticker that you can put on your laptop and stuff. And woo, guys, this is the shoe. Here you have it. This is the Puma RSX Transformers Bumblebee in all of its yellow glory. Things that I immediately noticed. Number one, you have that really nice, super comfortable cushioning with the midsole over here. I talked a lot about the comfort of this shoe in my full review of the RSX that I bought when I was in Japan. Check it out. The link will be down below. Apart from that, the things that are really different is the quality and the overall styling for the upper. You have some sort of like translucent material overlay here along the side, which I think used to be leather or some sort of suede material, but it gives more structure now in more form, and I just love the see-through quality of it. You have those nice white lines along the side that of course resemble the Puma logo on both sides of the sneaker. And if you take a look at the tongue tab, it has the Autobots icon with the Puma logo in red. Nice thing about it, take a look at the back. Oh, look at that. It has the Autobots icon as well in silver. That looks really nice. You wanna see something cute? If you take a look at the insole, you have a portrait of Bumblebee. Woo! You also have the Stockx tag over here that says verified authentic. So what else is in the box? Well, you have the shoe, the other shoe, the right pair. Oh, and it does come with extra laces. So you can swap out the white laces, the flat white laces with flat yellow laces. That would make it look really yellow. So this is what the sneaker looks like side by side. You have those really nice logos over there at the back. I will definitely be wearing this when I go to Taiwan. Guys, watch out for my Taiwan vlogs. They will be coming soon. Those will be really, really nice and really, really dope. Make sure to catch the entire playlist when it comes out. So this one will probably be one of my go-to pairs while I am in Taiwan. And hopefully I get to do the full review of this pair while I am in Taipei. So watch out for that, coming soon. Of course, we didn't stop with one sneaker. We have another one. This is again in that typical brown carton box of Stockx. Now, I won't be unboxing this because this shoe doesn't actually belong to me. Guys, this is a sneaker that goes to Fresh. He's another Filipino sneaker YouTuber. And we will be doing a double review of this shoe very soon. But I will tell you what the shoe is. This is actually the Ultra Boost 19. So I already did a full review of this particular shoe. I even did like a comparison with the Vapor Max 2019. If you guys haven't seen it yet, the link to the comparison will be found down below. Check it out, watch it, and enjoy. Now, before we end the vlog, I just have to let something out of my chest. Now, if you guys are buying from Stockx, here's a tip. Don't buy two sneakers at once, because you know what happens? When it goes beyond, the customs here in the Philippines and the tax people, we have a law here that if you buy something below 10,000 pesos or $200, you don't get taxed. So it's called the de minimis something or whatever that called is. I've been buying for Stockx for the longest time now, mostly just one sneaker at a time, and they would arrive one at a time, so I never get to actually pay the additional taxes. Now, both of these sneakers individually sell for less than 10,000 pesos. So I was expecting not to pay for taxes when both sneakers would arrive. But as it turns out, this is the sad news, guys, and to everybody who's in the Philippines who shops on Stockx, take note of this warning. If you buy sneakers, multiple sneakers, customs actually looks at it as one package. So the overall cost gets taxed. So if you buy two sneakers at like 5,000 and 6,000, it adds up to over 10,000. they both get taxed. So I ended up paying like almost 7,000 pesos additional just to pay for the taxes of both sneakers. Ouch! That hurts. So that is a really, hurtful lesson, and I hope you all get to learn from it and you don't make the same mistake. So guys, that's actually it for our vlog today. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.